welcome back to our channel Achu Ammu Sisters. Day 5 and we're starting our day with BirdParadise. So guys, we are going to tramil kiri BirdParadise tramil kiri. In we are Predators of Wings show kana pona. The 10:30 aana. Let's go.
Courageous people that rescue animals and vets also help to take care of the vets.
Susie, our American bald eagle. Susie is a Susie has been with us for almost 25 years. Her beak and talents are huge, and she is an unmatched hunter.
That's right. And Susie here weighs 4.7 kilos. This is the surface of the water. Here we go. Whoa!
And some of you might not have caught that, but don't worry. Just take a look at the screen. We have the close up. Now this bird is the only vulture with multicolored head.
Give a moment while Butter and our guide to get ready. Looks like we're set to go. Now let's keep our eyes right up there and let's welcome our beautiful cornea. Now what the cornea can center on is an enrichment device called the monkey's fist. It is roped tied into knots, and in these knots we have hidden treats for the birds to forage. Now this helps them express their natural behaviors as they would in the wild. Now corneas, they are from South America. Once widespread, they are now endangered. Over 800,000 of these birds are sold into...
Oh, did you see that? That's Rose, our big back connector. Now birds like these will hunt in the wild with other birds using their massive bills and long foot pouches. Look at their huge wingspan. They can measure up to 9 feet, which is about this long. Okay, so that is Rose, our big back connector. It's time for him to head back home. Let's give it up for Rose, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, okay, he's a very excited rooster. Hold on. Let me prove it to you. Turn around and mimic the rooster. 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 Yeah, there you go. You believe me now. Yes, thank you. Well, everyone. Okay, they're rather sleepy yet today. Let's move on to other sounds. The ringing tone of the electronic telephone. Can we give Quincy a big hand, everyone? So these birds, they actually tend to imitate and copy the sounds that are made by young babies. So if they happen to make human sounds, they're simply copying the sounds that they hear around them. And of course, in this case, Quincy and Amigo's family will be our Monday star. That's right. Okay, so we've got another Amazon pair right here. Let's see what we can do for us. Your name, Amigo. Amigo. Let's do this one more time. What's the name? Amigo. Amigo it is. Amigo, how would you like to meet all these nice people? How are you? He's asking how are Pelagios, they have a distinctive feature over their heads called a casque. It can just be a small bridge or it can be big and brightly colored. Oh Sabrina, are there any other
here. I'm fine. What is your name? You hear me? What is your name?
നിന്നോടുന്നു അമ്മ ഉച്ച നിന്നോടുന്നു.
The Penguin Cove is a new attraction in BirdParadise. The penguins there were so friendly, they even started communicating with us. It's coming! Hello, come on, jump. Jump. Come. Hi. Oh. Hi. It's dog doing. Hello. Hi. Hello.
ಹೇಳುವ ನೀ ತಂಗ ಕೊಳತ್ತ ಹಂಗ ಹೇಳಿದ
അപ്പോൾ ഞങ്ങളൊരു നൈറ്റ് സഫാരിയിൽ കയറി അവിടെ ഒരു ഷോ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. അതൊരു നോർമൽ ഒരു ആനിമൽസ് ഷോ ആയിരുന്നു. അത് ഞങ്ങൾ കയറി കണ്ടു കേട്ടോ.
Now this is Baron, and Baron is a raccoon dog. I know what you're thinking. What is a raccoon dog? Now see, raccoon dogs are closely related to the families of. Let's hope we get to see that tonight. That's right, that tail can go up to 1 meter in length, and winterers use this tail to hang off branches to reach for fruits and other tasty treats. Now, Shani, I think you want to get a nice picture of this. Come on, Arya.
With conservation efforts, the population now stands at 3,500. Rhinos stealth of leopards. Lions have to work as a team to bring down larger prey such as buffaloes.
As it was a night safari, it was really dark. So, lights were only there in places which animals were. The night safari was basically a ride in the tram. When animals were nearing, it would slow down and allow us to take a look at them. We were not allowed to use our flashlights.
The role of the male rat is to protect the territory so the females can hunt. After the hunt, the males will have to steal first, followed by the females, and then moose, bats, stripping bark from trees. story demonstrates an important truth. Losing just one species has consequences.
We've come to the end of our today's video. Hope everyone enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Bye.